Ever find yourself tangled in the web of tax forms, especially the notorious Form 1040? No need to fret anymore. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of this form step by step and introduce you to High Five Consulting, a beacon of light in the murky waters of tax preparation. First things first, what is Form 1040? It's essentially the standard federal income tax form used to report an individual's gross income. It's where you'll report your wages, salary, and tips, as well as any interest or dividends you've earned throughout the year. Now let's break down the process of filling out this form. Step 1. Start with your personal information. This includes your name, address, and social security number. If you're married or have dependents, you'll need to include their information as well. Step 2. Move on to the income section. This is where you'll report all your sources of income, from your regular job to any side gigs or investments. Step 3. Deductions. Here's where you can reduce the amount of your income that's subject to tax. Common deductions include things like student loan interest or contributions to retirement accounts. Step 4. Calculate your tax. This is the part where you subtract your deductions from your income to find out how much tax you owe. Step 5. Credits and payments. If you've made any tax payments throughout the year or qualify for any credits, you'll report them here. Step 6. Sign and date the form. This is your declaration that everything you've reported is accurate to the best of your knowledge. That's it. 6 steps to conquer Form 1040. High Five Consulting is a team of experienced tax professionals who can guide you through the complexities of Form 1040, ensuring you get the most out of your deductions and credits. They offer personalized tax advice tailored to your individual financial situation and are dedicated to making tax season less stressful.
Elevate your business to new heights with High Five Consulting, where excellence meets financial prosperity. Join hands with us for unparalleled expertise in accounting, advisory, audit, taxation, and compliance services. Ready to transform your financial landscape? Contact us today and let High Five Consulting be your partner in success.